feel a bit let down by
thought I
Micheál
would have been.
Martin then, Iar Taoiseach?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, it's no good saying otherwise. I mean, if they didn't want me, they had an opportunity to tell me anywhere between Christmas and Easter, and then I had a choice whether I could have run independent or not, which I'd been pressed on. And of course, a lot of people, if I knew now how events turned out, if I had run on independent, my concern was that wasn't. I was being a Fianna person. I'd be splitting the vote. I didn't want to do that. As it turned out, now I wouldn't have been splitting any vote. But listen, that's how it is. And I felt this was my time. I was 74. You weren't going to get another chance. And that was it. Anyway, que será, Shane.
Yeah. I mean, you were leader of Fianna Fáil from 1994 to 2008. Are you horrified at how it all unfolded for your party in the presidential contest?
Yeah, and a bit sad as well. I mean, back in August when I got over my own trials and tribulations, I should have spent the last month out for Jim Gavin, who I know well, a fine person, and always was kind to me and very kind to my county. So I would have gladly been out for September working for him on the ground. But unfortunately, it's probably... I've been through all kinds of campaigns. It reminds me of the one where I directed 35 years ago with the Brian Lennon campaign.
Yeah.
They're difficult campaigns, but listen, I wish Jim well and his family well going forward, because Jim was a fine fella.
You're endorsing Heather Humphreys' candidacy.
Yeah, I have. I know how difficult the campaign is now, but I just think Heather is a very fine person, and the fact that I know her so well, and when I've worked with her for 15 years, always found her to be, even though I was no longer in the Dáil, I found her a person that would get back to, would deal with things, would handle things, would help things. I see her as a person of really good reconciliation spirit to try and bring things together. And I've seen that firsthand, because I've been involved in these things now for 15 years across the board of counties, where she was minister for most of them.